In this video, we are going to install Veement 4K Dual Dash Cam. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. The front camera is equipped with Sony Starvis sensor with 6 glass lens. It records at ultra high def 4K with an angle of 170 degrees. The top of the camera has a mini USB port for data transfer. On the side of your camera, you have your microphone, your reset button, and a memory card slot which supports up to 256 gigabytes. On the rear side, you have 2.45 IPS display. This here is your cabin camera, which has 4 IR LEDs. The cabin camera records at 1080p at 140 degree angle. Your cabin camera is adjustable. On the bottom side of the camera, you have your power button, your OK button, your up mode button, and your down button. This camera uses a supercapacitor instead of batteries. Here we have your suction mount with a built-in GPS. This GPS provides accurate route, location, and speed information. It comes with your 12-volt cigarette plug adapter. It also comes with your data cable, a trim tool, and some adhesive cable management clips, and your detailed user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. To install, preferably you want to place them right next to your rear view mirror. You want to make sure your windshield surface is clean. Then you're going to get your mount. Make sure it is unlocked. You have your lock and your unlock. You want to make sure it's unlocked. So it's in the unlocked position. You want to go ahead and place your suction cup. Let's go a little lower. You want to place your suction cup where you want to mount it, and just go ahead and lock it into place. You want to leave some room for the cable. Next, you want to go ahead and get your dash cam, and you're just gonna slide it into place. All you do is align the square and then push it forward. Align and push. That's all there is to it. Now you want to get your power cable and go ahead and plug it in. Okay, and then tuck it away nice and tight. All right, now that you plug your power cord to your cigarette lighter, we're gonna go ahead and start the vehicle. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the settings menu. You want to hit OK and then the menu button. That'll bring us up to your menu. So let's go to, this is arrow down, and then we're gonna hit OK to choose your resolution. We're gonna go ahead and leave that at the default. Let's go into loop recording. You can turn that off, or intervals of 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Default is 3. You have WDR, which is your wide dynamic range. We're gonna go ahead and leave that on. That enhances your images. You can also change your exposure, plus or minus. We're gonna leave it at 0. Here is your G sensor. It is set to medium. I like to leave my sensor at medium as well. Here's your IR LED. You have the option to turn it off on or leave it at auto. Rear camera, we'll leave it on. Motion detection right now is set to off, as in order for motion detection to work, you would need the hardwire kit. Record audio, you have the option to record the audio. Right now it's off. Let's go ahead and turn that on. And date stamp, we're going to go ahead and leave that on. Alright, that was your video settings. Next we have date and time. You can change your date. Now we have backlight. You can turn that off. 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. That beeping noise. Beep sound. Right now it's on. You can turn that off. Your boot sound. That's when you start the dash cam. If you want to hear the boot sound, I would like to turn that off. Language. You have a few languages to choose from. I'm going to leave that at English. Frequency. You can change your frequency to 50 Hertz or 60 Hertz. US is 60 Hertz. GPS switch. You can turn on or off your GPS. Speed unit. Miles per hour or kilometers per hour. We're going to go ahead and leave it at miles per hour. Your time zone setting. We are at -7. We're going to go ahead and leave that at -7. You can format your card, your memory card. Cancel. Put everything back to default setting. And this is your version. Right now we have the T70X. This is your main screen, your main menu. You can quickly mute your microphone just by pressing the down button. It's muted. Now it's unmuted. You can flip your rear camera by holding this a few seconds. You see how the images flip? We're going to go ahead and flip that back. By holding the menu button, now we're in camera mode. You can take your snapshots just by clicking OK. Hold it again a few seconds. Now you flip to your playback mode. By hitting the up button, you can change your view. Now we have the main screen as your cabin camera, and that small picture-on-picture is your front camera. Press it again. Now you just have your front camera. Press it again. Now you just have your cabin camera. Press it one more time. Now we have your default front camera, and your picture-on-picture is your cabin camera. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.